Hello, school board members. My name is Riley Waters, and I'm an elementary school teacher. And tonight I'm going to make an argument to you guys that we should implement the DBE program model for English language learners in our schools. To describe this DBE program model, Wayne E. Wright wrote in his book, "As in TBE programs, ELLs initially receive about 90% of their content area instruction, including initial literacy instruction, in their home language plus ESL instruction. Sheltered English instruction increases with each grade level until students receive an equal balance of instruction in both languages." Many program models for educating English language learners students solely focus on gaining literacy in the English language, but the DBE program is especially unique because instead of just focusing on achieving English proficiency, it looks to achieve biliteracy, bilingualism, and with that, the students become more well-rounded. DBE programs are also empowering to parents who don't speak English because they are able to be much more involved in their child's education, including being able to help their children with their reading and other homework. That is a good encapsulation of why DBE programs are so valuable, because not only are they helping students achieve biliteracy, but it's also involving the family members and helping the family of ELL students also learn English. As an urban educator, I recognize that students in Chicago come to the classroom with various different backgrounds, and it is really important to value those students' backgrounds, including their languages. Thank you for listening to my presentation today, school board members, and I hope that you will consider implementing a DBE program in our schools because it truly embraces the uniqueness of ELL students by valuing their home language and also working to improve their English literacy. Thank you. Thank you.